Now it's time to focus on algebra. I think I've basically covered what you need to know about exponents. I'll revisit them soon enough. But now it's time for algebra. Algebra is just PEMDAS. We've gone over PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication or division, addition or subtraction. It's the priority. So this is the order of operations. Number one needed rule inside algebra. Let's write out a simple thing. So algebra is basically just putting all the order of operations or different order of operations inside one bunch. You get me? So since multiplication or division comes first and we don't see any parentheses, okay, let me retry that. Do we see any parentheses? No, we don't. Cross that out. Do we see any exponent? No, we don't. Cross that out. Now it's time for multiplication or division. Do we see either of the two? Yes, we see both. Now, which comes first? Multiplication. We do multiplication. 28. And we rewrite everything. Now, next step, we see division next. Division holds priority over addition and subtraction. So we do 28 divided by 8. 28 divided by 8 is 3.5. And remember, in 6th grade, they will not be shy to give you decimals and fractions. They will be attacking you, getting you prepared for high school and all that stuff. So don't think that you'll stay with rational numbers or whole numbers. They will attack you with these like never seen before numbers. And they'll give you random vocabulary, which I'll try my best to go over. So we've crossed out, we've done the only multiplication and division we see inside this number sentence. We go on. Well, inside this expression. An expression is a number sentence without the equal sign. Now we go on. Addition or subtraction. Which comes first? We see addition comes first. So we do 5 plus 3.5. That equals 8.5. Minus 6, 2.5. We draw our V. That's what I meant by algebraic V. 2.5 is the answer for this long thing. Math will always give you ways to break down huge equations. There'll always be steps that help you think and model out your answers. We've gone over algebra. I'll give a hard algebra question for you guys to do in the comments. Whoever is able to get this absurd expression answered in the comments using algebra, you'll get your shout out. Now for the next part of algebra. There's subtractive algebra, where we have, let's put our variable as x plus 4 equals 15. Now let's check what this means. This means a random number plus 4 equals 15. To find this, we subtract 4 from each side. Minus 4, minus 4. So this cancels out. Don't even have to do that. 15 minus 4 equals 11. Bring down our x and our equal sign. X equals 11. Now I'll give a harder one, just to make sure you understand what's going on. Let me give this one exponents. How on earth's green grass can 4 over 2 be less than 11. Let me get you set up on something called negatives and positives. So negatives is going backwards on the number line. Negatives is stuff like -1, -2, -3. So negative is whenever you stoop below 0, the neutral number. 0 is not really a number that has value, but it's a placeholder, which means it's still a number. If you were to say 0 is not a number, how would 20 exist? Is that just 2? No, 0 is a placeholder. So it gives value to numbers. Now that we know what negatives are, let's keep going. X times 4 to the power of 2. We don't know what x is, so let's go here. We do our exponent first. 16 equals 11 times 4. Now, we do 16 minus 16. That equals canceled out. 11 minus 16. We can see that 11 is less than 16. So just do 16 minus 11. That equals 5. Meaning this is -5. If you just switch the numbers around, the difference will be opposites of each other. So that's how you'll be getting your answers fast. Meaning x is equal to -5. We can check that out. Let's do -5 plus 16, as said here. -5 plus 16 is also equal to 16 minus 5. Because look at it like this. If you're if you're adding a negative number onto a positive number, you're basically just subtracting from that positive number. You get me? So taking away -5 adding on to 16 is the same as 16 subtracting by 5. And that equals 11. Now we understand how this works and how to use subtraction. How to use negative being correct. I hope. Goodbye, guys. I'll see you when I see you. Senior Bishop, out.
Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình 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 toàn toàn tình.